In this video, we're going to be talking about adding and editing entries to the music page on the website. When we do this, we open up the dashboard and we go to Posts and then All Posts, and we see there's a number of posts on the website. All the posts that have the category of music, these two right here, those are the ones that are going to appear on the music page on your website. This is the music page on the website, and we see these two posts right here. If we click on the posts, we have access to the the audio player for that post or that music entry. So to do this, again, we go back onto All Posts, and if we want to add a new one, we click on Add New. And again, the same as pages, posts, and sermons. We start from the top left and we work our way down. We give the music entry a title. We'll call this Music Entry. And if we want to add some information onto the music entry, we add it in the excerpt section right here. So this is, if we look on any of our music entries on the page, the music page, we see that this part right here performed by these two people, that is what we would write in the excerpt section right here. Whatever you write in here will appear right here. And then what you put in the main text editor right here is your actual audio. So what you're going to do to add that is click anywhere in here. You're going to click on Add Media, and this will take you to the place where you can either add from your computer. You just select Files here, navigate to the place on your computer where it is, select it, click on Open. I'm not going to do that here because I'm not going to add something from my computer. And then you click on Insert into Post. And that will add the audio from your computer. You can also select anything from the media library, and that's what I'm going to do. If you have a music MP3 file already there, you can just select one from the media library. I'm going to select one from a previous one right here. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to click on Insert into Post, and then that will appear on your music page. It will appear right here. So when I'm done with that, in order to get it to appear on your music page, what you need to do is in your category section here, you want to select music. So I'm going to select that here. I'm going to click on Publish. I'm going to go back to the music page, and I'm going to refresh. Whoops. I'm going to click on the music page here, and the new one called Music Entry is here. And you'll notice that it doesn't have anything written in the same spot as these other ones did. That's because I didn't put anything in the excerpt part, so nothing appears here. If I put something in that section, it would appear right here. If I click on that, you see the audio, but again, you don't see anything up here, any information on it, because I didn't put anything in the excerpt section. There's one more thing I want to mention. The date that will appear here, you're normally going to want that to be the date of the when the music was performed. So in order to do that, we'll go back to our dashboard, and that date is going to be the published date right here. If it was actually performed on a different date than when you publish this post, what you can do is click on Edit, and then you can manually choose a different month. Say it was actually in May, and then just manually insert whatever that is. You can change the year time won't normally come into play. When you're done making those edits, click on OK and update. And that's how to add a new entry. If we want to edit that entry, again, we go into All Posts and we find the entry that we made, which is right here. I'm going to click on that entry, going to click on the title, and then I would just change anything that I wanted to change, that I wanted to edit. If I wanted to add an excerpt here, I'll just put in some information. And now when I go to update that, and this circle finishes up here, I'm going to go back to my music page, scroll down, and now music entry has that what I typed into the excerpt. So that is how we add and edit music entries.